In this video, I will show you how to make talking photo in just a few clicks. Please watch this video until the very end. Now, let's get started.
So the first step is to click the link down below and sign up with your Google account. After that, go to home and you want to click on talking photo. You can either upload your photo or you can try sample photo that they have. I'm gonna upload a sample photo here. So this is the photo that I have. If you like this talking photo tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe. You may also upload an audio. If you have a prepared audio, you can use a ChatGPT AI writer. It is built in. You can also randomize it. You can add a pause here and you can change the voiceover. Let's go to gender, female, language. I will choose English.
Well. Welcome to a smarter tomorrow, powered by innovation, driven by clarity, and voiced with confidence.
I will use hope, and then I can create this video. We just need to wait for a few minutes. Alright guys, so our talking photo is done. I'm gonna click on it.
If you like this talking photo tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe.
As you can see, it's very good. If you want to download it, just click on download right here. And you're done.
If you like this talking photo tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe.
Again guys, I'll put a link down below. You can try this tool for free. If you like it, you can upgrade. They have 50% off of their annual plan. I buy this myself using my own money because I think this tool is very good and it is the best amongst the other competitors.